everyone, welcome to join ICP DAS ESG series webinar. This is Charlotte Chen from ICP DAS International Marketing Department. In our previous session, we discussed energy management solutions, and we are excited to have you back. Today, we will shift our focus to the topic of environmental monitoring solution, and I hope you will find it enjoyable.
The theme of the webinar today is Gearing Up for ESG Journeys, ICP DAS Temperature, Air Quality, and Leakage Monitoring Solutions. I will share 4 case studies that focus on air quality, temperature, and leakage monitoring solutions. Furthermore, I will introduce the difference between the modules, enabling you to select the most suitable product for your specific application requirements. The first case study is environmental solution applied in data centers. Data centers are critical for housing important computer systems and associated components, including the remote servers, storage devices, and internet devices, which are all holding essential data. Once the data center is damaged, it will cause significant loss. In this case study, we help the client to monitor the environment of the national center in Taiwan. Taiwania 2 is Taiwan's first AI supercomputer, which is situated in the National Center for High-Performance Computing. Taiwania 2's warm water cooling system achieves a PUE of 1.2, and its energy efficiency is up to 11.285 gigaflops per watt. Computing power is up to 9 petafloating point operations per second, but electricity usage is only 798 kilowatts, which has become the most energy-efficient high-performance computing mainframe in Taiwan's history. If there's any damages that happens to this supercomputer, it could cause a huge loss. Therefore, keeping the national center in the best condition is an important issue. That's why the client wants to do the environmental monitoring, because just one environmental factor exceeding thresholds at the national center is enough to cause equipment failure. ICP DAS provides a tailored environmental monitoring solution. In this case, the client uses leakage monitoring modules, which consist of the ISN104 module and the leakage detection cable to monitor the leakage conditions. Once leakage is detected, the ISN104 module will send the leakage information collected from the detection cable to the MDC 714 via Mobile's RTU. Besides, the client uses DL10 temperature and humidity sensing modules to monitor the data on temperature and humidity of the server racks, and installs M7051D GDI module to monitor the status of the national center and server rack store position. All the on-site data is sent back to the control room via MDC 714 and displayed on SCADA. To obtain the data on energy consumption of the cooling system, the client uses PM3133 100 MTCP 3-phase smart power meters for energy measurement. The smart power meter is high accuracy and is suitable for low voltage primary winding and medium or high voltage secondary winding. Users can get reliable energy consumption data and monitor equipment operation in real time. Besides, PM3133 100 MTCP provides an open CT for measurement. The input current range is from 0.05 to 60 ampere, and the input voltage range is from 10 to 500 VAC, which is compatible with the voltage used in different countries. In addition, PN3133 MTCP supports Modbus TCP, which can directly transmit data on the cooling system's energy consumption to the control center. The client uses Aviva Edge as the SCADA to monitor the real-time status of national center and the server racks. Aviva Edge is software with fundamental tools for creating powerful SCADA and offers a range of graphics and design tools that allow users to create customized interfaces based on their application requirements. In this case, considering the security issue, the client uses GTM204M4GE industrial 4G modem to integrate with Aviva Edge. Once an anomaly occurs in the field, GTM204M4GE will send the alarm notification through SMS instead of email or a communication application to the management personnel for troubleshooting. The second case study is IoT solution applied in automated stores. The COVID-19 pandemic has not only affected the hygiene practices, but also the daily consumption habits of the general public. People pay attention to avoiding contact with crowds during the pandemic. It indirectly led to a business landscape transformation. As a result, many traditional stores are transitioning into automated stores to minimize human contact. In order to ensure the smooth operation of automated stores, security and environmental monitoring are important. For example, the leakage could cause the failure of the machines. And if the problem is not solved promptly, it can not only cause damage to the machines, but also deliver a bad customer experience. In this case, the client aims to implement a remote monitoring system for their chain automated stores, replacing the traditional on-site manual verification methods. Therefore, ICP DAS provides a remotely environmental monitoring solution. The client uses the leakage module and CL200 series air quality data logger to monitor leakage, temperature, and air quality of the automated stores. In addition, ICAM camera is also installed to monitor the status and to take pictures of the automated stores. With the built-in if-then-else statement of WISE, once an abnormal condition occurs, WISE Edge controller will activate ICAM camera to capture real-time images and transmit them to the control center and management personnel for troubleshooting. In addition, the client uses IoT cloud management software to collect the data from the sensors connected to WISE 5231M4GE Edge controller through 4G. The collected data will be stored in the database and be displayed on the dashboard. Through the cloud-based real-time IoT monitoring system, the management personnel can simultaneously monitor the real-time status of the automated stores, which are situated at different areas. The third case study is environmental solution applied in mining operations. Dark and poorly ventilated mines are often considered as an unsafe work environment. In addition to the failure of technology or the use of explosives, underground mines are threatened by landslide, rockfalls, flood, or poisonous gases. Therefore, ensuring workplace safety is important. Good ventilation, drainage systems, and illumination must be done before starting mining operations. This case study illustrates how ICP-DAS environmental monitoring solution helps the client monitor the concentration of various gases and detect liquid leakage in mines, creating the safest and most comfortable work environment. In this case, the client installs the LW1000 series mini weather station to detect CO, CO2, NH3, as well as wind direction, wind speed, temperature, and humidity, and installs the L303 IP65 data logger to measure CO, CO2, temperature, and humidity, and the DL1000 data logger to collect information about oxygen, temperature, and humidity in different areas. The ISN104 liquid leakage detection module and liquid leakage probe are also installed to monitor water leakage internals. The collected data are then transmitted to the WISE5231 edge controller through Modbus RTU, and then are sent to IoT Star in the control center to achieve remote visualization monitoring. In addition, the client installs ICANN industrial LED display to show multiple environmental data, allowing on-site personnel to keep abreast of the work environment conditions in real time. In the above three case studies, we can see that liquid leakage and air quality monitoring can be applied in many different fields. However, we have mentioned many different modules. The problem is how to choose a suitable module for your environmental monitoring solution. First is liquid leakage monitoring. ICP-DAS liquid leakage modules are a combination of the ISN series IO module and CALLD series liquid leakage detection sensor. ICP-DAS provides three types of liquid leakage modules: ISN101 series, ISN104, and ISN104-E. The detective distance of the three types of modules can all be up to 500 meters. ISN101 series module is a one-channel module and supports DCOM and Modbus RTU protocols. In addition, it has an alarm function, which can send an alarm through the relay output to notify the on-site personnel. ISN104 IO module supports DCOM and Modbus RTU protocols and has 4 channels which it can connect with 4 liquid leakage detection sensors. Each sensor can be placed at a different area to do the liquid leakage monitoring. ISN104-E has the same function as ISN104. The difference between the two modules is the protocol. ISN104-E supports Modbus TCP protocol. As for the sensor, ICP-DAS offers 2 types of leakage sensors: detection probe and detection cable. Both sensors can be used with ICP-DAS ISN series liquid leakage detection module. Clients can choose different sensors according to their needs. The liquid leakage detection probe is designed to detect liquid leakage at a specific location over water level. The liquid must touch both probes at the same time to trigger an alarm. For example, in the case of mining operations, to monitor water leakage internals, the client chooses detection probe to monitor the water level in a specific location. The liquid leakage detection cable can be used to detect leaks over large areas. For example, in the case of data centers, to monitor water leakage in the data center, the client chooses a detection cable as the detector. In addition, the liquid leakage detection cable contains two sensing cables, and the leaks must touch both sensing cables at the same time for the alarm to be triggered. ICP DAS provides two different liquid leakage detection sensing cables. Both of the two sensing cables can be used to detect the liquid leakage. However, the cable on the left side doesn't provide the cable break detection function and cannot be connected in series. By contrast, the cable on the right side can be connected in series. In addition, with terminal resistor, it can be used to detect cable break. The longest measurement distance can be up to 500 meters. Furthermore, ICP DAS also provides the leader cable, which has no detection function, but can be used as a signal extension cable to make up for the lack of the length. For air quality monitoring, ICP DAS provides several air quality sensors which can fulfill different needs of clients. For example, we have different air quality data loggers which support different protocols that can monitor the temperature and humidity. And some of them can monitor the illuminance, some of them can monitor the gas, and some of them can even monitor the particulates. The L10 series temperature and humidity sensing module supports Modbus RTU protocol and can monitor the data on temperature, humidity, and dew point. The L10 series module has the advantage of a space-saving design. It allows the L10 series to be easily installed anywhere. The L100 series remote temperature and humidity data logger can also measure the temperature and humidity and dew point. However, compared to the L10 series, the L100 series can also measure the illuminance and support Modbus TCP and MQTT protocols. In addition, the L100 series features a built-in data logger that records measured information on temperature, humidity, and dew point, along with corresponding dates and timestamps. The data is then saved as CSV files for future review and analysis. Besides, the L100 series provides LCD display, which can show the real-time data and allow the personnel understand the real-time status in the field, and can be integrated with IR utility. Also, the L100 series has an international protection marking with verification of water and dust proof. The modules can be broadly applied to different industries without worrying about damage in dusty and wet areas. CL200 series supports DCOM, Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, and MQTT protocols, and can not only measure temperature and humidity, but also particulates and gases such as HCHO, TVOC, CO, CO2, H2S, and NH3. Besides, CL200 series has built-in memory and can store up to 450,000 records. Unlike other air quality data loggers, CL200 series provides the feature of ceiling mounting. This installation method enables the CL200 series module to be installed on the ceiling. CL200 series can be used with the software IR utility, which is developed by ICP DAS. It can execute grouping for several CL200 modules. It is practical and convenient to monitor and manage the data and convert it into a CSV file. CL200 series air quality data logger is specifically designed for indoor air quality monitoring. It's an ideal module for indoor locations such as gym, swimming pool, and parking, where monitoring harmful gases is important to prevent carbon dioxide poisoning and potential health hazards, and to create healthier and safer environments for everyone involved. The DL300 series data loggers also supports various protocols such as DCOM, Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, and MQTT protocols, and can collect the data on temperature, humidity, dew point, and gases with the date and timestamps included, and can store up to 450,000 records. In addition, DL300 series has the LCD display to show the real-time data. And DL300 series can also integrate with iAir utility. The management personnel can download the Air application on mobile phones to retrieve real-time data monitored by DL300 series anytime and send messages to the LCD built on the modules. DL1000 series also supports various protocols like CL200 series and DL300 series. DL1000 series can measure the data on temperature, humidity, dew point, and gas. However, DL1000 series can also measure particulates such as PM1, PM2.5, and PM10, and can store up to 180,000 records with date and timestamps. DL1000 series can also integrate with iAir utility. DL1000 series is IP43 protection, which allows DL1000 series to be used in indoor and outdoor air quality monitoring. It's suitable for industrial applications in harsh environments, for example, petrochemical industry, mining tunnel, and semiconductor industry. In addition, the L1000 series provides replaceable filter patches. Since particles might become stuck inside a device, customers can replace the filter patch themselves to save more time and maintenance costs. Besides the air quality data loggers, ICP DAS also provides the LW1000 series mini weather station, which can measure not only air quality but also the meteorological information such as the wind speed, wind direction, precipitation amount, illuminance, atmospheric pressure, and sea level. The module supports various protocols including Modbus RTU, Modbus TCP, and MQTT protocols. The LW1000 series adopts positive and negative pressure ventilation systems. The active ventilation system creates a difference in air pressure between the space inside the module and the environment that surrounds the module. The turbulent and evenly mixed airflow produced improves the accuracy of the obtained values. In addition, the LW1000 series provides IP54 protective design and replacement filters. It allows the module to be used in extreme environments. As for regular maintenance, clients can replace the filter patch themselves to save time and cost. ICP DAS's iAir utility can be used with ICP DAS air quality data logger modules. It can be installed on a PC to execute grouping for several modules and provide a transport which allows the management personnel to understand the real-time data easily and conveniently. Besides, iAir utility supports MySQL and access database, and the data can be exported in CSV files that can be easily imported into many software or spreadsheets for analysis. In addition to installing IR utility on a PC, clients can also install IR application on mobile, which allows management personnel to monitor real-time data at any time and anywhere. IR application supports Android and iOS operating system. Clients can simply scan the QR code to download the application. Now, let's watch a video to understand more how to use IR utility.
IR utility is developed for ICP DAS Airbox modules. You can search to add the modules easily. You can use it to monitor the data and to show the trend line. You can also use it to read the logs to local database. You can query the data from local database and export the data. You can read the logs and save them to remote MySQL server.
Besides the air quality data loggers, ICP DAS also provides analog and digital input I/O modules, which can be used to monitor temperature. The last case study will illustrate how the client uses our I/O modules to achieve cold storage warehouse temperature monitoring. The client is a beverage manufacturer which annually sells up to 2 billion boxes of high-quality carbonated and non-carbonated drinks worldwide. Since the client attaches great importance to the hygiene and safety of beverages, the client deploys cold storage warehouses to safeguard their products from light, heat, and other external factors that may compromise quality and stability. The client has 3 cold storage warehouses, and each is located more than 30 meters away from the control center. since the client needs to record the temperature data of the 3 warehouses every minute. The client decides to implement an IoT solution to achieve warehouse temperature monitoring. In this case, the client uses i7017C current input module and WISE5231 edge controller to realize remote temperature monitoring. i7017C is a 8-channel current input module with built-in resistor, which can collect the current signal. The client uses i7017C to collect the current signal from the temperature sensors placed in the warehouses. The collected signal then be transmitted to WISE5231 via DCOM, and then be sent to the control center through Modbus TCP. The management personnel can monitor the real-time temperature of the 3 warehouses remotely at the same time in the control center, and no need to shuttle between warehouses and control center to record the temperature data. ICP DAS provides more than 300 I/O modules that support analog and digital output and input, which can be used to monitor temperature, humidity, illumination, and leakage level. That is why the I/O modules of ICP DAS can be widely used in various industries. As for the temperature monitoring, ICP DAS provides a variety of I/O modules that can be used to collect the data from different types of temperature sensors. For example, the M7015P RTD input module can be adapted with the RTD sensor, and the M7005 thermistor input and the DO module can be adapted with the thermistor sensor, and the M7018 thermocouple input module can be adapted with a thermocouple sensor. By using various I/O modules provided by ICP DAS, combined with the WISE series edge controllers, the data of temperature can be easily collected and be transmitted to the control center to achieve remote temperature monitoring. ICP DAS provides environmental monitoring solutions with flexibility in implementation. These solutions have previously been applied in various fields and places. ICP DAS has been dedicated to providing comprehensive and customized environmental monitoring solutions, enabling clients to select the suitable modules based on the specific field conditions and needs. The implementation of environmental data acquisition modules helps customers build a safe workplace. In this way, air pollution caused by business is minimized, and ESG goals are achieved. Stay tuned for upcoming webinars where we will have more ESG-related solutions to share with you. Thank you for joining our webinar today. Don't forget to scan the QR code and complete the questionnaire. We will send you the PPT file after you complete it. Now we will have Kevin do the QA section. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.